Here we have a 2017 67 plate BMW 320d M Sport Shadow Edition Touring. Now we do have 4 superb 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. We also have the LED headlights and black kinder grills. We have an M Sport standard kit which includes black front splitter, side skirt extensions and also rear diffuser. There's a look at another alloy wheel. As you can see, the M Sport calipers just popping through there as well. Now we do have black roof bars. We also have privacy glass on the rear. We also have the black window trim there as well. And there's a quick look at another alloy wheel. Now we do have the rear parking sensors, as well as dual exhaust flush with a rear bumper and also rear diffuser. Now being a touring, this does come with the split fold tailgate. So where the wiper arm is there, button just underneath, and you'll see it lift up just like so. Just so it's easier to put stuff in the back if needs be. Now we also have the power assisted tailgate, so underneath there's a button, tap it and then it will then rise. Now we do have a nice spacious size boot with storage net on the left hand side, as well as 12-volt connectivity net just there as well. And we also have a storage net on the right hand side as well, and that's also power assisted back down again. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and really does look superb from every angle. Now there's a quick look at another alloy wheel. Now if we go to the rear of the car, we do have Dakota leather throughout with ISOFIX points just down there. Pull down leather armrest with 2 nice size cup holders. For extra storage room, the rear seats do fold down as well. We have storage nets behind the driver and passenger seat, vents in the centre with 12-volt connectivity, electric windows, and we also have integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Now going to the front, there's a look at the driver's full Dakota leather front seat, which is extremely comfortable. We have electric windows, BMW individual trim just there, and again we have the integrated Harman Kardon speakers. Jumping inside the car, just down there we have your auto lights. Foot on the brake, we do have keyless start. Now we do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter just on the left hand side, and we also have paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. Now this vehicle has done just over 53,100 miles, and as you can see it is free with many warning lights on the dash. Now coming to the centre, we do have the satellite navigation screen, where we have satellite navigation, DAB radio, scroll across we have FM, CD, Bluetooth audio, USB. We also have Bluetooth phone connectivity just there as well. We also have navigation. Put the car into reverse, you can see the rear reversing sensor just there. We also have different drive modes where we have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and also Sports Plus. Now coming down here we do have your dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to, as well as 2 heated front seats. So for those cold winter mornings it really does make all the difference. Then we also have ice cold aircon for those hot summer days. Just down here we do have your bit of storage tray. Push this open, we have 2 nice sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity. Traction control on and off, as well as your drive mode select. Gear stick, pop it into drive, push to the left, we have M and S. M meaning manual and S meaning sport. I'll pop that back into park. Now we have your BMW individual trim just there as well on the dashboard, just up there. This is what you use to control everything that happens on your screen, whether it's zooming in or out, or going through the settings. You have that dial. Soft touch leather armrest with storage in there as well. And there's a look at the passenger's full Dakota leather front seat, which has extended thigh support just like the driver's. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes a fresh service, new MOT and with off competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 320d M Sport Touring Shadow Edition. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you would expect it to. As you can see, I'm not having to fight with steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. It's going straight and true and not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now I do have cruise control and speed limiter on the left hand side of the multifunction steering wheel, as well as power shift on the back for if you want to take over the gears manually. Now to activate the cruise control, simply push the button at the bottom, it has a dial on it. Press that and then use the dial to push up to go to the nearest miles an hour. Now push up very slightly or just by 1 and push up until you feel a bit of a click in your finger, and then it'll adjusting it was 5 miles an hour. Turn around and take the left as you would if you were driving this vehicle today. So right now I'm going to take over the gears manually. So currently I'm in 5th, so I'm going to drop it down to 4th, back up to 5th, into 6th, and then I'm going to let the car take it back over. Now, as well as using the paddle shift to go into manual mode, you can also push the gear stick to the left where it says M and S. Now M meaning manual and S meaning sport for those sporty gear changes. I'm going to put that back into auto and let the car take it over for me. Now in the centre we do have your satellite navigation, where you have the Bluetooth media and Bluetooth audio connectivity, as well as USB connectivity. You have DAB radio and again satellite navigation. Now we do have the integrated harman kardon speakers, which do sound absolutely incredible. Now we do have a very comfortable full Dakota leather front seats, which are also heated. So for those cold winter mornings, it really does make all the difference. And you could easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Now we do also have the extended thigh support just down there as well. So the seats really are very comfortable. Now here at RS Car Sales, we are a 5-star dealer. We're over 300 5-star reviews on Google, Autotrader and Car Gurus. And if you read through the reviews, our customers really do reiterate the fact of how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. So right now I'm coming up to the industrial estate and I'm going to take a right. I'm going to perform an emergency stop, just show you that the brakes work exactly how you'd expect it to. And I'm going to put it straight into reverse, just to show you that it goes into reverse as it should. And you'll see the rear parking sensors just pop up in the screen in the centre. So waiting to pull in, which I'll be able to do in a second. There we go. So I'm going to do an emergency stop in 3, 2, 1. Hard onto the brakes, straight into reverse. As you can see, there's no issues whatsoever. The back into drive, no issues whatsoever again. And you can see in the sensor, the rear reversing sensor. Now, if you're test driving this vehicle today, you'd be listening out for anyone wanting knocks or bangs. If you've been listening out during this test drive video, there hasn't been any, which is always a bonus when buying a used car. Now, if you haven't answered all of your questions and inquiries during this test drive and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact with the sales team, where they can answer any unanswered questions and also run through some inquiries with you. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.